AC Guy 1948 here. Drug in a John Deere snowblower. It's a TRS 21. I'm not really a John Deere person, but I got this. Well, I gave 15 for it, but talked them down. But it's got a Tecumseh 2-stroke engine in it. I just put some gas in it. I'm gonna do kind of a cold start on it because he said it hasn't been running a long time. So looks like it's in pretty good shape, really. I bought it mostly because the engine seemed to turn over pretty good. I've got a Jacobson mower I might try putting it on if it runs any good. Put the key on, give it some pumps. Choke. Hey! Whoops. Maybe I gotta... Well, it'll run. Well, it's a runner. The gas I've got in it's kind of old. That's pretty good. Can't beat that. But probably needs the carburetor cleaned out, that's what I figure, but it's a runner. And everything seemed to work when I engaged it, so yeah, pretty cool. Alright, that's my video on that. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.